Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn a super fun and important skill in abacus, that is visualization, especially for one digit sum. When we move an abacus, we move beads with our fingers, but with visualization we learn to move these beads in our mind, just like playing a video in your brain. This helps us to calculate fast even without touching the abacus. As I had told you in my previous video, if you are in the first step in the visualization, for some days you have to practice by keeping abacus tool in front of you without touching it, only by looking the abacus beads. You have to move your finger as per your given sum. When you are confident enough with this, now don't look at your beads of your tool, just imagine it inside your mind. Do solve the same sum. Now let us practice some one digit sum using the visualization. First sum is 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2. See, right now while I am moving my thumb, simultaneously I am also imagining that I am moving the beads in my tool. You have to do like this. So let me tell you one more time. 1 plus 2, answer is 3. Next sum, 5 plus 3, 5 plus 3, answer is 8. Next sum, 8 minus 3, answer is 5. Next sum, 7 plus 1, answer is 8. Next sum, 4 plus 5, answer is 9. Now I am going to show you how to solve 3-row one digit sum by visualization. Here I want to tell you one thing. Some kids forget the answer of first 2 rows. In that case, how to guide them? Parents have to move the beads on the tool whatever answer the kids got after doing first 2 rows. Then encourage them to add or subtract the next row number, right? Our sum is 1 plus 2 plus 6, answer is 9. Next sum, 5 plus 3 plus 1, answer is 9. Next sum, 8 minus 3 plus 1, answer is 6. Next sum, 7 plus 1 plus 1, answer is 9. Last sum, 4 plus 5 minus 2, answer is 7. Here we have solved all the one digit sums by visualization. Now I will be sharing 3 quick tips to become a visualization master. So tip number 1, look at the beads first, then close your eyes and picture them. Tip number 2, repeat simple sums every day for just 5 minutes. Tip number 3, say number out loud while visualizing. It helps your brain connect faster. So that's how we practice visualization in abacus with one digit sums. Start slow, practice every day. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Happy learning and keep practicing. Thank you so much for watching.